Houston Maritime Attorneys. The city of Houston, with its prime location on the Gulf Coast, is a world leader in maritime trade, commercial fishing, offshore drilling, and a variety of other thriving maritime industries. Each year, tens of billions of dollars of maritime trade and industry pass through the Houston area or area facilitated by people working in the Houston area. As a result, many multi-billion and million-dollar companies have chosen to make their headquarters on and our or employed large numbers of staff in the Houston area. Additional, additional, the Port of Houston also provides direct access for mariners and trade to low field deep into heart of Texas, longshoremen, and other works injured along this waters may be able to fish fjords. Their climbs to the LHWCA Longshoremen's and Harbor Works Compensation Act for those injured while on the water thought they may need an experienced ex-offshore attorney like the one at Doyle Dennis LLP to properly preserve what they are legally on under federal and state maritime laws. Houston Offshore Accident Lawyers. Each year, a variety of maritime accident and offshore incident for Houston maritime employees are unfortunately preventable when proper procedures are followed and seamen are provided proper equipment. The risk of injury and accident goes significantly down even though carries or negligent employees, third parties, and other will put other maritime works in the area or on the vessel at risk for significant injury or death. Offshore and maritime works legally obligate a safe place to work, including a seawork vessel, and in safe condition. When companies fail to provide this legal right and injury happens, they may be liable for the damage direct cause as well as other obligations on the seaman by the Jones Act, while maritime accident and in surf drilling were open to the company leadership and business are based right there in Texas. Here in Texas, as such, offshore works are often able to future justice and hold their employees responsible in the proper federal or local jurisdiction of the business they work rather than causing justice in an unfamiliar system and jurisdiction of foreign countries and whether our experience in these acts and authorities will help you understand where your potential claims might fall under and what is the best way to force those claims. Contact us today for free cases evaluation and understand your right. Why do you need an why do you need an experienced house and maritime attorney? Maritime laws can design maze of complex rules and regulation with require expertise and experience to successfully force a climb. Maritime and Admiralty injury attorneys need to understand not only what law relates to their case, but also which application of those laws provide the best avenues for our client. Absorb injury and fatalities from maritime disaster and incident can leave a family struggling to pick up the piece. Our firm take pride in helping our client and their family's future, what they are out and continue to progress with their lives. Admiralty and maritime laws is something our trial attorneys have worked diligently or for disaster and why they first recognize them for their verdicts, settlement, and accomplishment. Our team of attorneys for decades has successfully pursued litigation against multi-billion-dollar companies with extensive legal firepower. Our attorneys have traveled across the globe to fight on behalf of international clients injury while working American companies in the offshore drilling industry. If our experienced offshore injury attorneys believe in your case, they will fight to get you what you legally deserve and are out. Please contact our team today to see how we can assist you. Proper record of winning verdicts is settlement on behalf of our client. At dani LLP, our maritime and admiralty attorneys pride themselves on the ability to evaluate proper jurisdiction and the best path power forward for our client to get what they are legally on and deserve. The Dennis LLP Maritime team has a decorated history of jury verdicts and settlement on behalf of injured clients and their families. Our attorneys understand what it takes to future successfully of sort injury claims and can guide you where with a strong ally and your side. The daily days LP with your future your case throughout all awareness including injury trial. We believe that is what it will take to get what you deserve. Our attorneys take pride in their ability to fight and litigate successful. For their hard-working offshore injury clients that are looking to move forward with their lives after horrific maritime accident. Offshore accident attorneys employees that suffer injury while working offshore or in attorneys maritime capacity for the following companies may be able to future a journey X claim for their employees. Negligent, our attorney can help you understand what you are entitled to by the laws and what companies must provide after a life charging injury or accident.